Psalms 46, verse 1. God is our mighty fortress, always ready to help in times of trouble. I'm reminding you and myself also that God promises never to leave us nor forsake us. Hi there guys, if you are new or already a part of our YouTube family, a very lovely welcome to you. In today's video, I will show you all how I achieved this lovely half up, half down using crochet braids on Jasmine's hair. Enjoy! So this is my braiding pattern. I've gone ahead, sectioned the hair into two, and I've done a zigzag method at the back, and now with the end of the hair to just basically disguise that so that it's not seen, I will go and weave that end into those braids. And this is a no leave out install. For the front half portion of her hair, I've already gone ahead and did two braids and connected them together, forming one braid. Now I'm going to do the same thing until I reach the other side of her head. Once I've completed that braid, I usually just get the beeswax and I will just seal her ends and continue once again to just weave the end of the hair into that second portion of the braid. So I've gone ahead and I'm doing the invisible knot method around the entire perimeter of her head. At least I'll try, just for more versatility. So I was separating the hair, and while I was doing that, I noticed that the hair was getting really frizzy. So I decided for at the mid part of her hair, instead of separating the hair, I'm just going to show you guys a method that I like to do with hair like this or when I reach the situation. So I'm just going to get the hair as it is. I'm not going to separate it. I'm not going to do anything with it. And I'm just going to go ahead and, just place the latch hook through the hair. And just place the hair onto the latch hook and pull it through. And once I'm at the loop of the hair, separate, because how once it gets to the loop, there are two ends. So now instead of having two ends, I'm going to have three. And I want to make that third end really, not really small, but like smaller. So that way I don't have to knot it too many times and I can reduce frizz. So the hair I'm using for this install is the Zury, and it's 1 pack is enough, and it's the V8910. And I've already installed the number 10, and now I'm on to the number 9 and the number 8, so I'm using the 9 next. So I've completed the back of the hair and the side as well, and I can do the hair up if I chose to. As well, I'm on the 3rd bundle, and this is the number 8 length. I must say 1 pack is indeed enough. So length number 8, that's the remainder from the entire contents of the hair. And here is how her hair turned out after completion. As you can see, there's still a bit of frizz in the back and some of the sides. And I have not added any products to this hair. I have not cut the hair. This is exactly what it turned out to look like right after the install. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and trim away some of that hair and add some mousse to it and see if it might, you know, reduce the appearance of those frizz.